Can you see this loungewear? I'm thinking to style this one single loungewear in few different ways, and I'll show you how by simply accessorizing you can elevate the look of that piece. Hi guys, welcome back to Style Mamma Mia, and this side Shivangi Chawla. And today I'm going to do some tricky styling, and I'm going to show you some styles. It's a holiday and it's a very beautiful and sunny day outside, and like my daughters were like, let's go out, but I was not willing to go out. A good idea came to my mind that why shouldn't I style some beautiful outgoing looks with this loungewear. We all might have seen that we face a lot of problem when we are sitting in our bed, and it becomes very difficult for us to get dressed and to, I mean, who wants that headache to get up and fetch for a pair of clothing? We all know that how difficult it is that when we really want to go out, we don't get anything to wear. I guess this problem is faced by every woman. Me being a stylist face this problem, having so many clothes, and whenever I need to go out, I stand in front of the cupboard and look for n number of options, and still my mind is saying, oh gosh, I've got nothing to wear. Like seriously, my house is full of clothes, and at times I don't even get time to take out them and try. So I'm going to show you how you can elevate your style. How can you elevate the look of one simple clothing like this loungewear, and by trying different styles and layering it up and give it a shot. It's really easy. It's not rocket science at all that you have to get into some stylish shoes, or you have to do a crash course, or you have to do blah 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 for styling. No, I'm just going to show you some easy tips like how you can use your long aged clothes hanging there and getting wasted in the cupboard, and you can really create good looks, good elevated looks by simply putting them together. So without wasting any time, let's straight show you how I elevated my looks. Hang in there. Yes, before starting on with the video, I would just like to request you that if you like my styling content, if you like the looks, and if you like the ideas how to style, please like this video, comment, or if you want to share with your friends, please do it. And please subscribe my channel, because your support will help me to evolve, to grow, to improve and do better. So thanks again for supporting me and showing love to my videos.
I see you looking for someone. I see you wanna get to know me better. The night is young, we just begun. I see you wanna play around. You wanna get into my playground, baby. I'm getting lost into the sound. Feeling your energy when you're looking at me. We got lost to the beat.
guys, I really hope that you liked all the looks, and look what funny I'm looking in this cute cap, and it's really warm and I'm burning and melting out here. So yeah, so coming back to the video, I really hope that you are able to relate with these looks. They are so comfortable and so quick get-ups when some program hits and we plan to go, but we really don't want to style or put on clothes or think about clothes. So these are the perfect quick get-ups which you can try, and you must try it if you're going to grab a coffee, or you're going to meet your friends, or you're going for a night out, or night out with friends like PJ party or PJ get together, or you're going for a long drive. These are perfect quick get-ups. They're warm, they are stylish, and you don't have to really change much. And nude makeup, or you could just put a lip or a lip balm, and then so these are pretty good looks. Thanks for all the support you have been giving so far. My journey is going slow, but it's going good. And ciao for now. I'll come back soon with a super stylish video. Bye.